guys, how's it going? So today we're in my parents' garden to work on a really fun project. You can see we're standing here in their driveway. They've got 12 great big wood containers that line it, and I've brought some beautiful things to put in them. So the first thing you see here are these beautiful Green Mountain boxwoods. This was part of the load that we got just recently from Bountiful Farms. My mom had actually added 10 of these boxwoods onto that order for these containers. So I already knew that that's what she wanted to have as a centerpiece. So I thought, oh, I've got some beautiful annuals that I could bring to fill in around the boxwoods. And this is the mix. Oh, it's gonna be so bright, cheerful, and sparkly. We've got the Supertunia Saffron Finch. You guys, this is one 4-inch plant. Look at that already. It is just huge. Then there is the Supertunia, same with this one, look how big this is. Mini Vista White right here, and Superbena Whiteout. I actually intended to just have it be these two because I love the mix of texture here in the bloom type, but I didn't have, I was like 7 short. So it's going to be mostly this one and this one with an accent of that one. But look at those 3 around the boxwood. Don't you think that's going to be beautiful? And if we look right over the fence here, did you lose your helper? Oh, yeah. Did Benjamin go inside? Yeah. The kids are out here too. I think they must be inside. I did bring the kids out with me because I thought when we got done with this project, we could probably take a dip in the pool, and they were so excited. Okay, so stats on these containers. I am not positive how big they are. I want to say that the interior is maybe like just over 2 feet. What is that, about 12 inches? 12, like, I don't know. 28 inches this way, maybe a little bit wider this way, but that's roughly the size they are. Pedro and his crew actually just came and cleaned them all out. They did have lollipop blue spruces, and I think I've planted them with those centerpieces in them before, but a few of them had died out, and other ones were getting so big that we couldn't find any to replace them that would match, so decided it was time to start fresh. So this is 100% fresh soil. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's going to be so easy to plant these containers. I am going to add in some of our continuous release plant food. There is already drip right here, already connected and ready to roll. So what I think I'm going to do is sort of assembly line this thing because all the boxwoods are in front of all the annuals in the back of the truck. So I'd like to go through, get all the boxwoods done, and then we'll go through and get all the annuals done. So here we go. Okay. Doing kind of a side angle here because the camera can sit in the shade that way. First thing I'm going to do is put our slow release in. I don't really measure, but there is a little guide. There's like a little pamphlet booklet on the back of this container, and it tells you how much to add based on the diameter of your pot. I just add a good amount. I brought out a couple of these just in case. That's step 1. Step 2 is to get our boxwood in. So I'm just going to make a well in the center, close to the size I think I'm going to need it. Oh, fresh soil is the best, isn't it? Oh, it's kind of a wide container. This is a 6-gallon container right here. And we actually save all of these containers, the nice stiff ones, because they use them down at the garden center as risers. Like when we do displays with ceramic pots and want to stack ceramic pots inside each other, you can use these turned upside down, and it works really well. I also like to try to take the tags off before I put the plants in. This is probably not 100% necessary to do at this point because these aren't super tall. Here we go. These are heavy. I take it out of its container. Roots look really nice and white and healthy, but you can see a lot of soil still. Look at that. It's not root bound. We want to determine which side is the front, which is this side facing me. So let's see how this looks. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to stand back and just make sure it's centered this way and centered from the front and standing upright. Oh gosh, that's so beautiful. I think we're good. Everything looks centered up. And we're just going to pack the soil in around the root ball. Make sure there are no air pockets. Boy, I made a mess. Isn't the background pretty? So just beyond this fence, my parents' neighbor has just a bunch of acreage back here. And if you go down into this big thicket of trees, there's actually a pond. And he just lets things, like he keeps it tidy, but he lets things be kind of natural too. So there's this great big wild rose shrubs that produce the big red hips. And it's just beautiful and a wildlife haven right there. I'm gonna kind of position the drip so it's in a nice spiral. I'm gonna grab my annuals. I'm gonna do 4 saffron finch, 1 on each side. And then I'm gonna do the Super Beena whiteout right here in the corner and 1 in the front corner on the other side. I'm gonna tuck the Super Tunia Mini Vista White on the back corner here, and then another Super Beena whiteout on this side because they see the pots mostly from this angle. So if this one wants to kind of incorporate in, great, but you're not gonna really notice a huge difference. Oh, so pretty. We're gonna get all of these in. A little more close up for this one. So how I normally do it is just stick my hand in, scoot the soil aside, pop the annual in, tuck the soil in around it, and go pretty quick that way. It's not always that easy. Okay, then I'm just going to make sure that this drip is going around each of the plants. And voila, all done. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that. I could see myself planting that somewhere at our house. And you know, after planting that first one, I don't think we need assembly line. I think I could just back the truck up to each container and just do each one at a time completely. I think that'll be just as easy. Oh, I can't wait to see them all done. Let's do it. Help. We got done in less than probably half the time.
Well, we got a good system going on.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. And they look beautiful.
So
I don't know if I wish you guys could stand here. There are particular times where I wish that everybody could just be here and just see it in real life.
I think these are my favorite that these have ever.
Mine too.
Favorite way they've ever been done.
I just love them. I mean, there's one, that's the first one we did right there. And then second and so on. I mean, they're all the same. But when you add all of that up visually, it makes such a massive impact. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show Mom. We're gonna go get her. You ready to come see?
I am, but are you kidding me?
Well, with Monica's help. Let's go this way, baby girl. There's the autumn frost hostas that Erin and I planted here a whole long time ago. Should we make her close her eyes? Okay, you gotta close your eyes. Samantha, I like your stickers. They're so cute.
Okay.
Okay. Look, Mom. Aren't they pretty?
Come out here, like stand over here where you can really see them.
Yeah,
Love them.
they are so pretty.
Oh my gosh. I absolutely love them.
Oh, I'm glad.
Oh my gosh. Look how cute those boxwoods are.
They're the perfect size,
I think
actually.
this is like our favorite.
Yeah.
Of
This
how
is-
these have, like we
yeah.
were both just like this
Yes.
is like our favorite. Where
Uh-huh.
we've been.
Oh my gosh.
Because you've had grasses in them, you've had blue spruces, and is that it so far?
Did I have boxwoods in them? No,
I don't think so. Uh-uh.
No. Oh, and
They're
I love
so
yellow
pretty.
and white.
Mm-hmm.
It looks so
So
my
bright.
gosh.
Like you
Yeah.
can see them, and I love like purples and Bordeaux,
Yeah.
but you don't see those from a distance. They kind of recede a little bit. Well, guys, Mom loves them. Mom loves them, Monica. That's all that that's all that matters. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these containers come together, and we will give you updates. I'll bring you guys back out here after they've had a chance to grow and fill in. We're gonna go swimming now. I think we deserve it, Monica.
Yes, I think so.
We worked for it today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.